Today, I gave you this abdominal pain patient and asked you what you think is going on with them. Well, let's talk about it. Okay, so this particular patient is quite challenging. She has quite a bit of pain, as we can obviously see. And what's happening with this patient is quite interesting because we really don't know what's going on because she's being kind of non-descriptive about where her pain is. She's being a little bit non-descriptive about what her pain feels like, what's been going on for the last few whiles. She just really doesn't know. And so it leaves us kind of in the dark. So what do we do in those situations where we're kind of like, we have no idea because we can't really get a good assessment or history on them? And one of the big things is that think about the things that can cause the the biggest problems. And in this particular case, things like pancreatitis could be one that would be on top of my list. Another one that could be on top of my list is a AAA, abdominal aortic aneurysm, would be on top of my list. Acute pains like that are pretty serious, and if they rupture, this patient's going to get sick very, very quickly. And so start thinking about, especially if you don't know what's going on in an abdominal situation, is start to ask questions that can start pinpointing the possibilities of certain things like gallstones, like pancreatitis, like hepatitis, or like AAAs, or some sort of GI bleed, whatever the case may be. But your job is to expand outside the sample history or the OPQSTA history and start to target things that only happen in certain type of abdominal emergencies in order to narrow down your differentials.